Good day, everyone, especially to you, Mom. I am Jemima Raso, and I live in an island called Lapinigan, Municipality of Claver, Province of Surigao del Norte. And I am 23 years of age, and I am passing the licensure examination for teachers last year, last December, and currently I am working as a daycare teacher here in our municipality, and I like to play volleyball, and I can sing, but I not in dance. And then um, in our family, I am the bunso, and we're two lang magkakapatid sa pamilya, and my father is a fisherman, and my mother is andito lang sa bahay, housewife. And then